Hey, Sydney's first time in a big pool. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sydney and I are enjoying, actually we're trying to cool off on a crazy heat wave we have for 2 days. Yesterday was like 95. We spent the day at my mom's house in the pool, which I have a little bit of footage for and I will insert in just a second. What are we gonna go do?
Gonna put with mini piano.
Yes!
Oh, goody.
You excited? Come on.
Come on. I got your boat. Rihanna. Okay, smile.
Hey, Sydney's first time in a big pool.
Down this road before. Oh, in the late night and early morning, our love should be an open door. But we're on and off and on again. Oh, it's
And then right now, it's before nap time, so I brought the sprinkle pad out into the front yard and she's having a popsicle and we are gonna try to stay cool. I'm drinking some iced coffee and I'm just gonna chill for a little bit, but today is gonna be a day in the life of a stay-at-home mom I'm gonna include my cleaning vlog in this video. We've got a lot of house stuff to do. You saw the clip of me ordering my groceries this morning. I was very lucky. Usually you can't order them for pickup on the same day, and I actually was able to do that. So I'm gonna go pick groceries up between 3 and 4. We got a lot of home stuff to do today, and we are going to cool off before nap time. I've got the AC going for the first time. Well, I've had it going here and there, but for all day. Like, I'm just gonna leave it on all day, and I usually don't do that. But anyway, this little girl is going to enjoy her her popsicle. Waiting for the sprinkle pad to fill up. We have popsicle molds, and I need to fill those and freeze them with had a really good nap, huh? Still waking up. She took a really good 2-hour nap. Yesterday was, again, like I said, super long day. She didn't have a nap. She went to bed at like 10 because it was just one of those days. We went to my mom's house and didn't get home until late. So, oh, she napped in the car for 20 minutes. But anyway, besides the point, she had a great nap. And while Sydney was napping, I posted on POSHMARK. I haven't done that in forever. I just went through my closet and I have these are the things that I listed on POSHMARK, and then I put the rest upstairs for now. I'm gonna go through and see what else I'm gonna list. So anyway, threw those on POSHMARK, figured I would clean out my closet. There were a bunch of things with tags that I was like saving for maybe I'll wear it someday, maybe I'll fit into it someday, whatever, maybe I'll have an occasion and I'll need it, whatever. I need to stop doing that because I just end up never wearing things. So I listed some things on POSHMARK. I have to pick up my groceries in like a half hour or so. So I'm gonna make Sydney a sandwich. She didn't have a formal lunch. She had a lot of snacks before nap. So I'm gonna make her a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and then we'll pick up the groceries. And then when we go home from groceries, I'm gonna try to clean a little bit before dinner, make dinner, and then clean a ton. So I might have to clean when Sydney goes to bed tonight, depending on how our schedule goes, because we enjoyed the sunshine this morning outside. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm delaying cleaning. I need to do laundry and then like windows, mirrors, everything. How about we have a peanut butter and jelly sandwich first?
No, I'm the wreck, so I'm not good. Just make those scissors. No, no.
Oh, really? Boss lady? You're the boss, aren't you? Who's the boss?
No, I'm not.
You're a big girl. Thank you for your help. Oh, it feels good in here with the air conditioning. Thank you, baby.
Some yummy. Beach.
Thank you, babe. You guys, I don't know what is up with me, and I don't think it's the weather because I've been staying cool, but I'm exhausted. I think I'm gonna start soon. I think that's what's like, I'm just so tired. But we just had dinner. When we got home from grocery shopping, we played outside a little bit, and then I came in, cooked dinner. Sydney is just in her undies, so I can't really show you right now. But I guess I'm going to have to clean when she goes to bed, which is like the last thing that I want to do. That's why I keep putting everything off, but it has to be done. So I'm gonna try to like power our nighttime clean when she goes to bed. And not yet. We just had dinner and I shut the TV off, so we're doing that, and we shall see how she does for bedtime tonight. It should be interesting because she had a 2-hour nap, so.
Okay. Those. See my God. My mug. Those side my mugs. And you see a new tight. No, that's my mug. And you and you this mother. And you 2 eggs. And you guys. Hey. Yummy mug for me. And you I go see you.
Can you say goodnight, everyone?
Good night, Mom.
Sleep tight.
Tight.
You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet what's all around.
The first thing I did after I put Sydney down for bed was to grab a glass of sangria. I've been craving this all summer long, and it just sounded so good tonight. So I had a glass of sangria in hand, put on something on the TV just for some background noise for myself, and then evaluated just how crazy my living room and kitchen were. I've been feeling super lazy as far as cleaning goes lately. A lot of times before I put Sydney down for bed, we both clean up messes and we straighten things out, but just this past week I just haven't done any of it. And then when I put her to bed, I've got editing to do or I'm exhausted, so I don't touch it. So I'm just cleaning up some toys, straightening out the couch, and picking everything up and putting it into the playroom.
Well, I know that by now it is obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out.
Now, I usually pick up dinner after dinner, but Sydney was still like grazing on it, so I just let her because with this heat, her appetite hasn't been as huge, and I just wanted to make sure that she didn't go to bed hungry. So that is why dinner was still there at like 7:30 at night. I hope some of you can relate and understand. So I'm just wiping down her tabletop and putting that all away.
Had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get
after putting some dishes away, I remembered that I had a bunch of laundry to do, so I wanted to get a jump on that for the next day and just do a load at night. I usually don't do a load of laundry at night, but it was getting out of control.
Reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights.
So that is it for my cleaning. I am just so exhausted. I don't even want to do anything else. I will tackle organization another day. But I'm going to take a bath with this bath bomb from Lush. It is so good. I can't remember what it's called, but it smells like a tropical vacation. I cannot wait to use it. So yeah, Mama's going to take a bubble bath, probably do a face mask, and call it quits for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you can relate to being a tired mom, but you still got to do everything anyway, then give this video a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.
Never up, never down, never.
This is still one of my favorite masks. I love Lamp Glow. This one and the Thirsty Mud. Oh, and the Gravity Mist. Just kidding. I love all of them.
Hoping I'll be fine, but I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do.